by Jennifer Eklund. How do you like the piece?
It's good, but I kind of, not to shock you, but can you please just play from this part? Because I kind of forgot.
I'd be happy to. Don't forget on her website, she also has a recording there.
Oh, good.
She might even be playing it. But let's hear what you think it is first. I love to hear what you think it is. So let's hear just the left hand alone. Oh, let's do it as a duet. Yeah. Hold on, let me come over. You stay where you are. You can either put your feet flat on that thing under there, or not. Let them hang, whatever you feel comfortable. But stay centered. Run over. So the starting hand position is what? C starting position. I want you to go a little slower because it's a heavy swing. Or the bluesy. It's not a rush down the lane. Do this one. 3, 4, 1. Watch my hand. I'm going to think of my pinky switching with my thumb. Watch. Notice I didn't even do my pinky down there, so I'll watch again. Would you play what I just played? See how it's a smaller interval. Now this time I'm going to add the 5 down underneath. But I kept my attention on the movement from the pinky to the thumb. Try it. Now your rhythm is do, day, do. Do. Say it with me. Do, say. Do, day, do. Do. Do, day, do. Do. Do, day, do. Do. Both right, right, left, left. Both right, left, left. Both right, left, left. Say it. Both right, left, left. So they're both right, left, left. Both right, left, left. All right, so left, you're going to go both right, left, left. Left hand, ready, and both right, left, left. I'll do it again. Both right, left, left. Whoa. Ooh, did we make a mistake here? Oh, no, I didn't. You made the mistake. So what hand position do we move there? Yeah, so this is a different change. We're going from here. And remember last time we put the thumb where that was, but this time we're putting the thumb one step higher. So again, I'm not focusing on the bottom. I'm focusing on that change. So go from here. Now put your thumb there. That's right. Okay, so let's take it from here. Do, day, right, left, left. Yes. Yes. Do, day. let's hear what you got so far.
Of here? Of like... Right
Yeah, I'll play the left hand. You go play the right hand. I'm going to skip the intro and go right there. Not too fast. Would you play a G major chord, please? Would you play a full G major chord, please? Good. Now would you add... Did you notice the 2 is easier? Yeah, except this stays as B. That's an A sharp. So it's A sharp, B, D. Say it with me. A sharp, B, D. Say that out loud. A sharp, B, D. Now look up the music. A sharp, B, D. Should this be A sharp again?
Yes.
Yes, why?
Because I think that when it's the same note again, it's always going to be sharp.
Yes, until what?
Until the next measure.
You got it. So that's an A sharp. Now look over here. It's A sharp, B, D, A sharp, B, D. B, G, not B flat. Ah, so good. Got the pattern?
Yep.
All right, ready? From here and now moving into F position, you do the same thing with an F major chord. Yeah, how many do you do? Da, 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 go. Now do the same with the C major chord. Yeah, da, 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 do that. Don't look us up there. I'm just saying the pattern doing there. Good. Now look what's happened. Here she writes B, G, and here she writes A, F, but here she writes B flat, C, D, C. She has a different ending. Ready, go. Put your 2 on that G sharp. Now it's gonna get. Watch my 3rd finger. Watch again. Watch my 3rd finger. I'm moving the 3rd finger from the E to the E flat. Try it. Yes, do it again now that you got it. That's fingering. Get it cemented, do it again. Let's do the whole section again at your speed. No. Why? Yeah. Ah, okay, ready, and yes. I put my 2 on that. Good. Put the 2 on that too. Next measure. We have the D sharp like before, right? We got the E like before. We got the G like before, and then something new happens. What?
And then it goes up.
It goes up a step, yeah, and then it comes back down to the G, and it comes back down to the E,
which is
and back down to the E flat. It's fancy, isn't it?
yeah.
So she gives you a fingering that I think might work. Let's just do it in the air. She goes 2, 1, 3, 4, 3, 1, crossover 3, 1, 2, 1. That's the same fingering as here. But this whole new thing is new. So what I'm going to do to learn this is I'm going to go backwards, forwards. I'm going to first play the ending that you know. Ba-da-da-dum. Now I'm going to add one note before it, the E. Watch how I do. So I put my thumb on the E. Da-dum. Do it again. You got it cemented yet? Good. Now I'm going to add the one note before that, which is the G. Notice I put the 3 on the G. At this point, but trust it right now. Da 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 from the G again. Yeah, now if you put the 2, then you notice you got that weird fingering. If you put your thumb there, that's a more flexible fingering. 3, 1, da 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 dum. Good. Now I'm going to add the note before that. 4, 3, 1. Take it from the E. Yes, suddenly it sounds better. So I started on my thumb. Do it again. One more note. Yes. Yeah, well, I'm going to put my 2 on there, put the thumb under, and then off I go. Yeah. Da, 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 da. There it is. Do it again. Starting on the D sharp. You got the idea. And the final 2 notes are... left hand of us. It sounds very distant. Yes, very jazzy distant. Yeah. You want to hear the whole thing now?
Yes.
I better sit here. Yeah, let me see. Move on over. The whole thing. Oops. Not too fast. You don't want to make these boring. Don't make them the same. You can change dynamics slowly. Nice piece. Wow. Next time we get together, let's make sure we work on down when you play it. How about this? Press your pedal down and then like that. Yeah, so I took the chord, so press the chord down. Oops. Catch it with the pedal and come up and just tremolo it. You take those two notes and do them. Kind of cool. You see in the bass.
Nice.
B flat F sharp. And then a low C to break it off. Yeah.
I love that piece.
I love that piece too. Good. Want to jump to Old Gray Cat.
What? What do you mean?
Got Old Gray Cat down?
You didn't do that one.
We haven't done the Old Gray Cat yet? Oh, that's coming up. You're 2 weeks behind. That's right. I keep waiting for you to do Old Gray Cat. All right. What other pieces are we in the middle of?
Follow Me was on their own. Margot and Fly Like an Eagle.
Oh, let me hear Fly Like an Eagle once more.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we pick something new. Fly Like an Eagle. Nice. Time to pick a new piece, don't you think?
Yeah.
Your choice.
The chase. Well, remember that we were gonna.
Oh, the
do
chase. Right. Did I give you the music yet?
No.
So it's still in my...
Yes, and it's a very long piece. It's like
It's the long piece. You're right.
it's about 4 pages.
Where are you,
Wow.
Justin? Here it is.
Is that correct?
job,
4
babe.
pages?
The chase.
I want to say.
Wow.
Let's go look at it on the
Forgot.
floor.
How much pages? It's 1, 2, 3. Oh, 3.
Three.
I thought it was 4.
Yeah, well, 3 is pretty long too. But the good news, of course, is there are sections that are repeated. So get a book or two to put underneath and a pencil, and let's map it out.
You want this, buddy?
Book.
Look.
Okay.
Okay, so we're working on the chase, and we're working on the star section. So first step, please, take your pinky left hand and wiggle it. Yeah, that pinky's going to be our director. Would you, with that pinky, play this middle A? And you've just played that note there. Now go down a half a step to G sharp. Good. Now go down a half a step to G natural. Good. Now go down a half a step to F sharp. Good. Now go down a half a step to F natural. Now go down a half a step to E. Remain on the E. Remain on the E. And now go back to an A minor chord. Yeah. So that's all she did. She went dum bum 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 bum. So you're going to play that as I play all the other notes. You ready? So
Just
play
this?
the A, yeah. Go to D sharp. Go to G natural. Now she does, I just noticed she did something I didn't even notice. With you playing the E, play that E. And then she goes down a whole step to the D, goes back to the E. She's adding some what I call tension here. D, and she goes down to the E, and she goes to the D. You ready to do that part? Here we go, from here. Ready, and then go down to the D, back to the E, back to the D. And back there. All right, so you've learned the skeleton of the piece. Good, yeah, well, that's exactly what I was going to do next. You ready? Almost. You got the right idea. Go back to this chord again and do it again. Go back to this A minor chord. You are right. Go to the this chord, the 2 upper notes stay the same. Use her fingering, you'll find it's more comfortable. Use your 2 in the middle. That's your 4. Ring finger. Use your, not your finger, your pointer finger. Yes, put that in on the C. Yes. And that is 2. Yes, that's that chord. Isn't that a cool chord?
Yeah.
Okay, now keep that chord and move your pinky down another half step. Oh, a 4 chord. Good. Now it's a little tricky. This is F sharp. I wish. F sharp, A, D. This is a totally new chord. So watch out. I'm going to square it so you can see it. Do you really want to know what it is? You want to just, okay. Play a D major chord in the root position. Do it an octave lower, just so. Now make it D major. Ha, good. Now look at the 2 notes here. Keep those and put the D on top.
That's such an interesting.
You just played this.
That's sounds like a 4 chord somewhere.
It does, but you know what? It's a D major chord in the first inversion. That's the fancy name. It's just it's a D chord mixed up. Okay, you got it? So you got to remember that. How are you going to remember that? Let's write D major chord in the first inversion. D major. Can you remember those fancy words?
Sure.
Okay, so that's D major chord in the first inversion with the F sharp in the bass. Nice chord, but don't change it. Okay, now keep it, but now make the F sharp F natural. Yes, that's right.
That sounds like a sort of like if we did that, but it's like a 4 chord, but you're not doing.
That's right. Isn't that funny? Now move to the E.
Oh, that's hard.
And give me a 4 chord in E minor. Yes, put a 2 in the middle. Good for you. And now go to an E chord. Make it major. Now keep that chord, but switch the lower note down to a D. Go back to the E. Go down to the D. Go to the E. Go to the D. And you've just learned all the chords of this. Shall we do it again? All right. Once you got it, yeah. Now brain might go way south here, but let's try again. A minor chord. Copy it in the right hand. Yeah. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Now these 2 notes, you're gonna cross over and go F, E. Yeah, that's exactly right. Do it again. So dum bum 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 F, E. Now play it as written. Put the pedal down, have some fun. Do-daddy, 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 do. Oh, is that how is it blocked or is it arpeggiated? Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Do it again.
It sounds like you're.
Okay, now keep the same chord, but the lower note goes down to a G sharp. Use your 2 there, will be more comfortable. That's. Why don't you block it first? You see how the hand has all this comfort and then using this? And over here, if your thumb is here, you do use yes, and with your slide in. There it is. Put the pedal down, have some fun. You notice the 2 would be better. The 3 is a little more awkward and uglier. Put the 2 here. Now I'm not letting you go on. Fix this. Yeah, yeah. So in other words, this has a 2, this has a 3.
It's not comfortable.
No, not yet, but I'm developing your hand. Your hand will consider this to be comfortable as it stretches and becomes more acclimated to this. This can be done, but I want your hand to begin to form this way. It's sort of like you ever have a part? Oh, all right, here. Do you ever have like a calic? Do you have a calic? Do you know what a calic is?
No.
You don't have a calic. Okay, I have a calic. I have this one piece of hair up here. No matter what I do, if I don't do something to it, it would stick up in the air. It would just always stick up in the air. And so finally, I decided I'll just let the calic go in the direction it wants to go. Because I have naturally messy hair. So what I finally figured out, by letting it go, suddenly I could figure out what my hairstyle was, which is naturally messy, and it always wants to go backwards. But if I try to make this hair go forward, it always wants to go backwards. But I'm training it over the years for it to go the way I want it to go. But of course it's not. But you're different. You can train your muscles to do this, which is the more advanced position, versus this, which is not as efficient. This is not efficient. This is more efficient. Feels funny, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really
Meanwhile, to
weird.
complicate it, this hand has to be 1-3-5. It's not the same fingering. How's that for a game? Okay, now.
I like that.
Oh, thank you. So now arpeggiate it. Oh, but no cheating. Cross over for that note. She wants you to. Now, how did I know it? Look what she writes.
Left hand.
Yeah, so I'm not telling the truth. Okay, go on now. We go on to good fingering. And that's the other thing she's doing. And good. Now I'm going to stop you. Make it do-dotty, 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 natural, nice and even. Ready, set, go. Do-dotty. Do-dotty, do-dotty. You sound like you have a limp. Catch up with me. I'll go slower. Good. You ready? Wait now. Yeah. Compare. F-E. F-E. Nope. How is it different?
It goes up one.
Yes. Okay, we got to go back and put that all together. Even if we just get that far, that we could learn the first half of the star. Yeah. Can you make this look the same over here? That's correct. This one's not. Check it. Good. Cheater. Keep going. Keep going. And watch out. Here comes new notes. Can you do that with the left hand? So me. Yeah. And all right. Now go to that D major chord with the F sharp in the bass. You figure it out? Or this first inversion. I'll give you a clue. Make a D chord first. Now put the D on the top. You got it. Now copy it with the other hand. I think a 3 is better there. Yeah. This one though, you're gonna need that F sharp and put the 2 in there. See how you're using an A? Yes. Now arpeggiate it. And cross over to cross them over. I'm sorry. Ouch. Now make it F natural. Bum bum bum. You almost have it. Bum bum bum. Do mi la.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, right hand copy that. Oh, I liked your D better. Now you have an F chord. Yes. Here's a 2 here to be more comfortable. And cross over. Down to an E. 4 chord. There. Yep. Cross over. Now comes the E major chord. Now change it to the D. Wait. Look up here. Then you could do it with a D. Not a D chord. Keep the E chord. Just change the D. And yes. Go back to the E chord. Go to the D chord. One more. And freeze. Cross over, hit a high E. And you just learned the star part. Your homework is, of course, to learn the chords. By the way, this is a 5/7 without that middle one. You know that, all right? There's the circle again. There's that G chord. Here comes with the minor. Here comes the E4 chord. Here comes that E. Introduction. We're on the next page. Same as the beginning. Second ending. See? This is wait. Then A minor chord.
I bet I can do that.
Take that A minor chord and do that one again. So watch how I do it again. Crossover. That one. That one. Yep. Crossover to A. Yeah, that one doesn't have a final one. Do-da-dee, 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 boom. Pedal down. I'm doing a time. Oh, yeah. I'm going to do new piece. Cool. We got to do sight reading. Do you want to do a fun sight reading or a hard sight read?
Fun.
Honest answer.
Yeah.
I've shown you this.